The sixth box, ang gagawin natin dito is find the 55.5 pages box. So just type line, enter. So just type line, enter. Then click the bottom line and shift to 7 and shift less than and 55.5. Enter. So click the dimension and click the angular, then enter. So para multiple natin yung lines, just type offset and 0.25, enter, and click the line and just type M to multiple the lines. And extend, enter. To extend the lines, just type extend, enter. Then type the box, enter, and enter. So just type trim to trim the excess and click enter and double tap. Enter. So dito naman tayo sa baba. Create the texts. Zoom in muna. Snap. Just type snap. Enter. 0.1. Enter. Then type text. Enter. And point and point. Just type, dito tayo. Just type drone. Tapos lang. Drone ba? Enter. Click the letters, then click the blue and find properties, then click the left and find the tip and drag it in the center. And para mapalitan natin yung ng letters, let's find the standard text type and find time Roman, which is this, and click apply. Close. So dito naman tayo sa baba. Just type snap point 1, enter, then click, and text, and point E. This time is student. Tableau and parent frat properties. Click and hit. Point 3 dapat ito guys. And hold and ilagay dito sa center. So, dito naman tayo para sa just type snap, enter, point 1, enter, and text, enter, and click, and point 3, enter. Just type in check by. Enter. And click the word and left and repeat. And hold the text in the center. Another one dito sa steps niya. Point 1, enter, text, enter, and click, and point 3. Just type instructor. Enter. Properties, it, and drag it down. So, dito naman tayo sa mga names. Just type stop again. Point 1, text, and click, and point 6. Just type the name of the professor. Pick the letters, find the left, and find the right. Then click zoom. Dito naman tayo sa name ng student, which is me. Just type snap, enter, point 1, enter, type text, enter, and click, and point 6, another 1.6, enter. Just type the student, enter, click, find, hit, dito naman tayo. Just type snap, point 1, enter, text, enter, and click, and type 3. Type 2. Wait lang. Wait lang. In the last part, let's create a circle. Just type line, the corner to corner, process. Click and click enter. So click the center. And type circle. Just type circle 2, para may malagyan tayo ng font. And point 6, enter. So, click 6. So, that's okay. And, aalisin natin tong light. Delete. So, paano nga ba natin ilalagay yung number 1? Just type snap point 1, enter. Just type text, enter. Then, point 6, enter. Point 6. Just type number 1. So, get it. Just find it. And, lalagay natin to sa center of the circle, which is like that. And so this is my AutoCAD, basic AutoCAD in this would be. So this is my first activity. So this is my first activity in basic AutoCAD. Thank you.